70%. It's the cost represented by the operational maintenance of equipment compared to the total cost of ownership. Digital continuity between support partners is a strategic lever. Make digital collaboration the engine of your operational efficiency. Unstable geopolitical context, budget restrictions, increasing system complexity, MCO must evolve to meet tomorrow's operational commitments. The Connect MCO software allows mastering fleet availability and activity while ensuring interoperability, compliance, and sovereignty with various support information systems. Connect MCO is a real-time standardized data exchange solution, proven and quick to implement, adapted to the complexity of the latest generation civil and defense systems, interoperable with your existing systems, benefiting from complete traceability, real-time supervision, and automation of exchanges between all partners in the ecosystem. Evolving, trustworthy, and compliant with standards recommended by the Ministry of Armed Forces and NATO. Connect MCO is a sovereign, proven, and immediately deployable solution. For the forces, it guarantees maximum operational availability. For the industrials, it is a tool for optimizing contractual performance. Connect MCO, digital continuity at the heart of support performance.